اسماء وإشارات demonstrative nouns. As we know in English, we use demonstrative noun to point at things, but in Arabic language, demonstrative nouns are divided into two categories, and each of these categories have their own subdivision. Al-Qarib, then Al-Ba'id. Al-Qarib have two subcategories or subdivision. Al-Mufrad, when the noun we are pointing at as a singular, Mufrad means singular, Jam'u plural. Same to Al-Ba'id, far, object that are far away from the speaker. The object might be Mufrad, which is singular, or Jam'u, which is plural. And all nouns in Arabic language are divided into two jins. Jins mean gender. It either be Mudhakkar, which is masculine, or Mu'annath, which is feminine. So we divide Asma wa Isharat demonstrative noun based on the gender also, based on the gender of the noun we are pointing at. It is closer to me, and that noun happens to be Mudhakkar, which is masculine. I use hadha as the demonstrative noun. Example, qalam, kitab, bait. These are singular words and they are all masculine. If they happen to be closer to me, I'll use hadha. Qalamun, this is a pen. Hadha kitabun, this is a book. Hadha baytun, this is a house. And if they happen to be far away from me, when they are masculine, but they are far away from me and they are singular as well, I use dhalika. Dhalika qalamun, that is a pen. Dhalika kitabun, that is a book. Dhalika bayt, that is a house. Then, if the single word I'm trying to point at is closer to me, but it is a feminine word like bintun, a girl, tabibatun, a doctor, female doctor, mother. I use hazihi to point at that thing or that noun. Example, hazihi bintun, this is a girl. Hazihi tabibatu, this is a female nurse. Hazihi this is a mother. And if this single noun that are feminine, they are far away from me, the speaker, I use tilka. Tilka bintun, that is a girl. Tilka tabibatun, that is a nurse or doctor. Tilka that is a mother. These words are the plural for this one here. Since they are masculine, feminine, then they are closer to me, we use the same demonstrative noun to point at them. Haulai aqlamun, these are pens. Haulai kutubun, these are books. Haulai buyutun, these are houses. Haulai banatun, these are girls. Haulai tabibat, these are female nurses. Haulai ummaat, these are mothers. And for the objects that are far, masculine or feminine, when they happens to come, when they are plural, we use ulaika. Ulaika aqlamun, those are pen. Ulaika kutubun, those are books. Ulaika buyutun, those are houses. Ulaika banatun, those are girls. Ulaika tabibatun, those are female doctors. Ulaika ummahatun, those are mothers. So this is the summary of asma'u isharat that we call in English language demonstrative noun.